Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the Notice of Motion and Declaration for Joinder form, also known as Form FL-371. As with all our court forms, you want to start off by filling in your identifying case caption information at the top. This is a form that you would file if you want to join a third party to the case, either because they have some sort of interest in property right that is subject to division of the court, or if they are somehow involved in your custody matter. Oftentimes, a grandparent, for instance, would be joined if they have some sort of visitation rights or custodial rights. So to start off with, you want to identify the opposing party. So mark the box that identifies the opposing party. And then below that, you can see there's a box for a hearing date to be listed. If you are in a county where you can call up the court clerk and they will give you a date and time over the phone for a hearing date, go ahead and list that in here along with the department number. If you are in a county where you have to get it provided to you when you file the paperwork, then leave it blank for now. And when you go to file this paperwork at the courthouse, the court clerk will fill that in for you. Address of the court, it's either going to be as shown above here, or if the hearing is going to take place at a different address, go ahead and list that next to is. And then next, you're going to identify yourself, what role you have in this case. And this is telling the court that you are applying for an order to join a third party to this case. You're going to fill in your name at the bottom, sign and date. In item number 4, you're going to list the name of the person you're seeking to be joined. Item number 5, you're going to provide the facts that show that the person you're seeking to be joined either possesses or controls or claims to own property that is subject to division by this court, or that a person has custody rights, physical control, or visitation rights with regard to any minor children of the marriage. So you would list those facts in item number 5. Item number 6, list your facts showing that it would be appropriate for this court to determine the particular issue in the proceeding. Again, you just want to make sure that whatever connection the third party you're seeking to have joined to the case has, that it is related to an issue that is also under the jurisdiction of the court. And then item number 7, facts showing that the person you're seeking to join is indispensable to the determination of a particular issue or necessary to the enforcement of a judgment rendered in this case. So list those facts here. And these facts do overlap. I do understand that. So just do the best you can in providing that information, as much information as you can to the court as to why the third party should be joined. Then you want to end this form by filling in your name at the bottom, signing and dating it. This form will then be ready to file and serve on the opposing party. Make sure to also serve a blank copy of the FL-373. That's a blank responsive form to a notice of motion to join a third party. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.